What's going on, Tee&Jayy members? This your boy T.
And it's your girl Jay, and we're here with
another video.
So today we will be reacting to the blow dryer prank on Life. Hilarious. Chrisandqueen, CQ Mafia.
Queen is in another bag though. I'm about to prank Queen.
Okay.
Y'all been waiting for this for the
longest. Bro.
I'm about to prank Queen with the baby powder prank, bro. One of my subscribers told me to do this on Snapchat. So I'm setting up this shit. Hold on. Oh snap!
In every fucking video this man upload, got his shirt
Wear
off.
shirt.
Don't have no shirt on.
When he in public, I think he fell out. I'll put him when he got a shirt on. I don't like pants. He don't like shirts.
Act like I was in his bathroom, so I made it.
That butt.
I just needed her to go to the bathroom so I can put it. Oh shit. How you take this thing off, bro?
Damn. Nose running and shit?
Alright, look, anyways, I'm about to just put it in there. Oh, she about to be mad, cause she gotta go somewhere. She gotta go somewhere, so she about to be mad. I don't even know for a fact she about to be mad, bro.
He said that 3 times.
Oh, she don't see this. Hey, she don't see this.
He got all that powder.
Bro, how am I supposed to put this in her?
He broke it. It's broke.
I don't know.
Scared the crap out of me, why y'all didn't tell me to do that? Dang it. We got this. Oh, dang, bro.
He's still trying. He ain't trying to see if it's broken nothing.
The whole bottle, why don't you?
Oh, snaps, bro. It's a whole bunch, dog.
What the
Oh, snaps.
Bro, how the hell you just slip up a whole shit. Wow. That's nasty.
Hashtag.
I used to do that when I was a kid.
Bro,
That's big lips.
you need to blow his nose. So shit. He got mucus good
He does
now.
have big
Over
lips.
here, and she
He
gotta
don't
go to
close
this
his
lipo
mouth.
appointment today. Cause today is the day she get her lipo. She scheduled her appointment for a lipo thing. She's gonna get her blood work and stuff like that. So I know for a fact she about to be mad. But anyways,
Yeah, hella spit in his mouth, boy.
hashtag Team Chris in the comments, bruh. Cause everybody knows, everybody talking about some Team Queen is liars. Because y'all know for a fact Chris is the master of pranks. You know I got the best pranks, so stop lying to yourself. You keep lying to yourself every
Bro,
day.
I'm not
You
lying to
talk
you,
about
bro.
Queen is the
You
master.
good, bro.
It's the best in pranks. No. Where did you get that from? The Queen pranks suck. My pranks is way better than Queen's. She only got me on one good prank, and that was the dildo prank and the abortion prank. And the only pranks I give her. Only pranks I'm giving her. Other than that, she got me all types of effed up. Guess what? Let's get to business. I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm about to hide this camera. She gave him the shower.
He couldn't put no clothes on.
Baby.
Yeah.
Are you ready? You ready, baby? You almost ready? I'm not gonna take long, don't worry. I'm not gonna take long.
Now why they got this on? It's so fun. And he still don't want to go put on
Put
no
on no
clothes.
clothes. He good. He swear he could sing.
It's rose, baby. It's rose.
I can't wait till I fully get my color in, man. I can't wait till it's like all red. I want to be looking bad. Exclusive. I wish that I could have.
Ooh, she tasting all that. That was a lot too.
Chris!
It was.
Really?
Ooh,
You dirty black.
call her the white mask.
I just washed my hair.
Then she got her appointment. What he got beats on for?
Oh. Nigga, you got this all in my hair. What do you mean? Oh my God. You dirty black son of a grease monkey.
You dirty black son of a grease monkey.
Oh my God. Are you freaking serious? Do you mean I have to get Chris? Oh my God.
Oh, I know she
Bro,
blue.
come here.
Blue.
Come here. Come here.
Stop playing, bro.
No.
Bro, chill. Stop playing. Chill, big.
Move.
Look at Queen. Look at Queen.
It's not fun, stupid. Chris, I just washed my hair, bro.
Don't get so mad.
What do you mean don't get so mad?
Oh,
How the heck am I supposed to? Oh my God. Oh my God. My hair looks freaking gray.
I hope they early birds.
Oh, it's okay, baby.
If they last minute doing this, yeah, she gonna be running late to that life appointment.
Where's this baby powder, Chris? Where's this baby? No, move. Get the freaking powder. Bro, you're so irritating.
Bro.
Why you always do stupid stuff at the wrong time?
Look at Queen. She mad.
Ooh. Oh. Chris, it's not like
He having too much fun.
Bitch, you know I gotta go.
Why she mad, though?
You know I
Why she
gotta
mad,
go.
though? Why she mad, though? Hey.
I would have threw that powder like
Why she so mad, though?
just threw it that shit.
What's she so mad, though, for? You feel me, G? She mad, though. I'm just throwing on the Gucci flip-flops, man. We out this thing. I'm gonna go outside butt booty naked, too.
She heard that.
She still
What she say?
I don't know if she heard him say when I said but booty naked.
Oh, we're going to go back up there. Alright, we're about to go back up there, y'all. Oh, yeah, we're about to go back up there. Look at her. She hurt. Let me make sure she...
Like everybody in that room.
Oh, look at her. Man, it's okay. Just wash it off.
I don't know what's my hair. I just got my hair done.
It's not even about to by herself.
This baby powder. Baby powder is good for the skin.
Are you freaking serious? Why would you do that?
Baby, just wash it off, baby.
What do you mean wash out? I just washed my hair up.
Baby, just wash it off.
Oh, you're so freaking irritating.
So what can I say? Baby.
No, ain't no baby, please.
Please, baby.
Ain't no baby, please.
Please,
You did it to me. Ain't no freaking baby, please.
You know she got a kid. She did the mama lip.
Crazy, y'all.
I got you.
This is how Queen acts off the camera, bro. She crazy. You know,
why do you do this? Look at, I got gray hairs. Like my name Esther.
You look like an old lady, baby.
Oh my god.
Oh, my baby look old, yo.
Cause she do the most irritating. Why now? Why now? No. Why now? Why now? Why didn't you wait till later? You don't gotta go somewhere, dang.
Oh, my baby. That's okay, baby.
That's the best time to do it.
Stop playing, bro.
That's the best time to
We
do
need to
it.
stop playing.
Hey y'all, if y'all like that video, the original video will be in the description box down below. Make sure y'all go ahead and go check their video out in their channels. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Please share it.
And let us know what you guys want to see us react to next in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our, follow us on our Instagram channel at Tee&Justice.
Right.
And turn your push notifications on our channel.
Please do so. And we out.